guys, good morning. Today we're gonna be doing a day in my life. I've never done one of these videos, so I'm very excited. I've already put my little outfit on. This is a Gymshark outfit that I've had for I think maybe like 2 years now, and I did do a review here on my channel, and they're still going strong. It barely has like a hole in the crotch, so they do last quite a bit, and I also like really take care of them like when I wash them. I'm gonna go ahead and put some lotion on my face just because it feels very dry. I don't have any makeup on, and I've really been loving this aloe vera by Grisi. Let's see if you guys can see it. Let me focus it. This stuff is so good, and I bought it at CVS for $6.50, and it has ácido hialurónico, so hyaluronic acid, and it also came with this one that's also really good. It's just really like refreshing on the skin, so I definitely need to re-up on this. I really like to soak my skin with this. I don't have much left over, so I usually use it with a pump, but since it doesn't have any, I'm trying to use this up. And it feels so good. Let's go ahead and make breakfast. I'm gonna make a smoothie. I'm craving something with like, just not like milky, more like fruity. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So let's go ahead and do that. I also have to clean this bedroom, which is a mess. I'll show you guys later, but first we're gonna have a smoothie. So I'm gonna go ahead and bathe Dali. We are in the garage and I'm gonna bathe him here in this sink. This is our garage, and we bought this sink from Home Depot. So I can like hand wash clothing if I ever need to, and the washer is right here. I do plan to put like cabinets here, just so we don't have all that like, just like, you know, like shout there or softener and like detergent is in the floor. So we're still trying to make this home our home. So anyways, we're gonna go ahead and bathe Dali, and I'm gonna use this shampoo. He's actually running low, from Martha Stewart, and we have this conditioner as well. He kind of goes through like different types of shampoos, and on his head I use the Johnson so his eyes don't get like soap. So I use this one just specifically for his like little head. And I also have here the towels. These are like beater towels. They're like uglier towels that I use for Dali. So I'm gonna go ahead and set you guys here. So we have them in here. I also have this container that I use specifically for him, just to kind of like grab water and kind of dump it maybe like on his head if I need to. Ben! No! No! He went to the dirt. Ben! And he's wet. Ben! Here's a third treat. Ben! 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 Here. Ben! No! So now we're in the back patio. I'm gonna go ahead and clean these chairs. They're pretty dirty and just dusty. I'm gonna go ahead and sweep as well as much as possible so we can actually sit here and enjoy the sunset and maybe have like a glass of wine or a margarita. Mira. Mira. ¿Tu abuela te lo dio? Mira. Ten. Ten. So Brendan and I just had some lunch and we had rolled tacos. We share usually like rolled tacos and a bean burrito. I was starving. Once I like start like cleaning, like doing things around the house, like I forget that I need to eat and I was starving. So we both ate. We also went grocery shopping for some chicken and we got some corn and some tortillas. So I am back and I want to clean all of this. It's a huge mess here. So this is where I have like all my clothes, bags, my nail stuff. I have my crafting things here. So there's a lot going on in this bedroom, and this is kind of like my creative bedroom. So I'm gonna go ahead and start just putting things where they go and cleaning. I did all the windows of the house. I vacuumed like the little middle part. It was like super dusty. So I did that, and there was like dead flies in each like window. I was like, okay, I need to like clean those because when we would open them, I would see those dead flies and that would gross me out. But anyways, let's get started in this huge mess. I'm gonna go ahead and put everything and organize it and do like some wiping as well. So let's get started. So I finally finished organizing. It doesn't really look very organized, but there's a lot going on in this bedroom. I have like this craft table here where I can do like crafting, I can do sewing. I have a sewing machine, I have a printer here. I have like a little chest with like nail stuff. This right here is my closet. There's like bags in there. I have like more nail stuff. All this is like related to my cameras and like my hand file, like different like LED lights, more nail stuff. I have a ton of nail polishes, and here I have like a nail station which I really want to do my nails. I bought some A-Press nails, so stay tuned for that. I did them last time, and I think this time is going to be better, so stay tuned for that. And I also have this little cart that's related to makeup, a couple of like hair things, and I have a hutch here that's also like paint. I have a ton of things, so this room has a lot going on. We're gonna go ahead and also do a little bit of laundry. I'm gonna be washing the curtain of our bathroom. It is getting a little like yellow and dingy, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove that, and I'm just gonna change you guys to right here. And so I bought this curtain at Target, and it was actually on clearance, and it's a really nice kind of linen-y curtain. I also bought these curtain holders at Lowe's, and they're really good because they won't rust. I think they were a little more expensive than like the cheaper ones, but those will most likely be rusting, so I didn't want that, so I got these at Lowe's. I'll be linking them just because they are really nice, and I do recommend these. And I was doing a ton of research because I didn't want to just settle for any like metal like curtain holders, so I got these and I'm very pleased with them. So now we're going to be throwing this in the wash. Okay guys, so we're going to open up a box of 4 bottles of wine from a company called Winc, and it's a monthly subscription, and you pay $30 if you go ahead and click the link that I have down below, and you can take a quiz. I think it's like a 6-question quiz, and you'll get wine depending on those questions, or you can actually select the wine that you want every month, and you can cancel, or you can like skip a month if you want, and it's 4 bottles for $30, which is great. So let's see which bottles I got. So we have this one here called Porter and Plot, and this is a Pinot Noir. So we love Pinot Noir here. Any dark wine we usually drink. Oh, this one I actually picked. The Wonderful Wine, clean wine, vegan friendly. And what is this one? Oh, so this is a Cabernet. So it's a nice little bottle too. So we have that one. And they're very secure too, like nothing's gonna happen to them. We have Porter and Plot, and this is a Chardonnay. So very excited. We don't normally drink white wine, but I was like, you know what? Let's try a white wine. Oh, and this is the Rosé Summer Water 2020 Rosé. This is a cute bottle too. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean them just because they were a little dusty. And if you actually do not like the wine that you received, you can go ahead and email them and they will replace it to one that you actually like. So I'm excited for, I'm not sure which one I'm gonna try, but they all look very like nice bottles. Oh, and also I forgot to mention shipping is included, so you do not have to worry about paying for shipping. So 4 bottles for $30. And make sure you check out the link that I have down below. And this is the label. Look how nice the label is. Yeah, it's a really cute label. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and try the Rosé just because it is a very hot day. Go ahead and crack it open. I'm actually very excited because I just want something cold. That's good. Thank you. Okay, let's try it. Are you ready? Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, this one's good.
Refreshing.
It's refreshing. I thought this was sweeter. what is it? Rosé from Central Coast. So it's approved. This one is pretty good. I actually like that one. So this rosé is actually very good. It's not very sweet. If you like the sweeter rosés, you probably won't like this one, but this one is very good because I don't really like that like sweet wine. So it's really nice and refreshing. Right now it's super hot, so something like this is just perfect. And I will be trying the others out on my Instagram, so make sure you follow me on Instagram at DamaB425. I'm gonna go ahead and garden a little bit and enjoy my rosé. So I was just watering my plants and I saw this squash. It's huge. It's ginormous. So this is my hand and that's the squash. It's really big. So I'm gonna cut that one, and I do see this one. Seems like it's rotting, so I'm gonna just go ahead and cut that. And I'm gonna inspect these squashes because this one is huge. If you see it, that one's ginormous. So I just picked up all these radishes. They're very interesting and different. I think I planted them very close because that's what my mom told me. But this one right here is ginormous. Look at this one. It's huge. This is kind of like a more normal size, but I'm gonna go ahead and water these and cut these up so we can eat them. Okay guys, so before we end this video, I wanted to show you the size of this cucumber. It is huge. This has to be like maybe like 13-14 inches. Look, it is huge. So I'm gonna make some zucchini with this, like cheese and maybe some corn too. So check me out on Instagram. I will be sharing how to make a zucchini. So this one's huge, and this one is from my garden. And I also have radishes, but I planted them too close to one another. This is the first time that I've ever planted and had a garden. So this is how they grew. They grew kind of weird. So they're normally not this long, but they're like really long radishes. And they're kind of big. Like the biggest one is like this one. So like this is my hand, and then this is like the biggest radish. Let me take it out. So it's huge. This is like a radish. Since they were so close to one another, they grew like downwards as opposed to like little round radishes. But this is huge. Look, it's very big. So these are the little veggies I picked out today. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and also subscribe to my channel if you are not already. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you guys next time. Mwah.